Fiery red, tangy and spicy. This vegetarian version of a delicacy from Karnataka is as rich and hearty as it can get. Let's make Paneer Ghee Roast. I'm taking 400 grams of paneer that I had cut into cubes. I'm adding to this 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let the cubes get coated with the turmeric and the salt well. Let's keep this aside and move on to making the spice mix. In a pan on medium heat, I am taking 8 dried red chillies. Let's roast them for 2 minutes. These are done. Take them out. Next, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Roast for 3 minutes. We will let the spices cool down and once done, let's transfer them into the grinding jar. Next, I am adding 5 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 2 tablespoons of tamarind extract that I made by soaking tamarind in hot water, and around 5 tablespoons of water. Let's grind. The spice mix is ready. Time to fry the paneer. I'm heating up 3 tablespoons of desi ghee. Once done, I'm putting the paneer cubes to pan fry on medium heat. Let them get nicely golden from all the sides. This entire process should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Time to take them off. In the remaining ghee, I am adding half a cup of onion finely chopped. Let's saute for a minute. Once done, add 4 to 5 curry leaves and the spice mix we had made. Let this cook for a couple of minutes. Time to add 2 tablespoons of whisked curd. Stir this in and cook for a minute. Next goes in salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of jaggery and around half a cup of water to make it into a curry. You can make the dry version of this too as an appetizer by omitting water. At last, add the paneer pieces we had pan fried. Mix in. Put the lid on and let this cook for 1 minute on low flame. Paneer ghee roast is ready. Serve it hot and don't forget to garnish with a few curry leaves. Enjoy it with roti, rice or appams and there's nothing else you need. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.